Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. And we are on finally unboxing the July Lashy Box. I had totally forgot about this box. I got it, I laid it up, forgot about it. I always try to film them and get them out like soon as they come in. And this one I laid up, and I don't know why I forgot about it, but I did. But we are going to finally be unboxing it. I don't even know what's in it. But Lashy Box is a monthly lash subscription. You do get some makeup items. And normally you used to get two. But I'm going to tell you, ever since they started like with their bigger box, the $25 one. This used to be their big box. Now they've got a bigger one. And I don't know. It don't seem like the regular box is like what it used to be. I used to get 2 makeup items a month. The last couple of months, I've only got 1. And normally it's like a palette. I don't know what's wrong with my tripod. It's brand new and it wants to flip down. I bought 2 in the last 2 months and I don't know. But this is $12.99 a month, plus you do have to pay shipping and handling. Normally, they do say on the thing you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes and makeup items, but normally I do get 4 pairs of lashes, and I love that because they're really, really good premium lashes, and they're always worth it. Most of the time, I wear their lashes about every day. So, here we are. We got 4 pairs of lashes. Okay, first pair. Ooh, I love them. These are something like I got on today, but they're a little bit more longer, and I just remembered I forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes, but that'll be all right. So these are 3D silk lashes, and they are in spicy. Let me take the plastic off. So here they are. Mine's just like this, but these are a little longer and maybe a little fuller. I really, really like these. Love the shape of them. And I don't know, they make really, really good lashes. Okay, ooh, I like these too for a more dramatic look. These are still 3D silk lashes in Rio. Let me get the glare off. So here they are, like pretty much almost the same size all the way around and really full and long. Really like these. I think I like the spicy ones better. I like them more everyday. So these ones are their 3D silk lashes too. And these are Demi. They're kind of like the first pair, but a little bit fuller, I think. This one don't want to open. I've been picking blackberries and my hands are like stained with the juices. But I did get 2.5 gallons picked. So I'm going to make me some jelly. So here these are. They're almost like the first ones. But no. Yeah, they are kind of like the first ones. But they're a little bit more fuller. And this end's a little longer. I don't know. But I do like them. I always cut off a little bit of it. The end, I take off a couple of the pieces. Sometimes, some of them I take off 1, some of them I take off 2. But these, I love these lashes. And the last one is called Jamaica. Like, see, with these, I don't have to cut very much off of them like I do with this pair. I'll have to cut more off, especially like this pair. These are a little shorter. I like the shorter ones better. I don't know why. It's all the same. You cut them. Okay. So, really, really like these. They all kind of favor this time. All but the dramatic ones are like really out there. I'm going to tell you, I can see myself in the viewfinder. I hate my foundation today. It is a lot of people like it, but this is the ultimate cover for by Becca, and I don't know, guys. I tried. I've worked one time and liked it, and the rest of the time I hate it. You have to put something in it because it's just so thick and it don't want to spread. And then when it does, it's like, I don't know, it just causes like, It just looks funny. I don't like it. So I did like all the lashes I got. So this time we got black glue, which I don't care about the glue. I don't really wear their glue. They did send like a full size of their glue, which was really, really good. But normally I wear, I've got a glue, it's black too, and I live by that stuff. It's like, I can ride a four-wheeler with my lashes on and don't even have to worry about them blowing off. Okay, so our last product is our makeup item. City of Pastel Lights, 12 Irresistibles, Pastel Pigments, and Eyeshadow Shades. So this is by Rude Flex, a Rude Flex original series, I guess like Netflix. It is City of Pastels, binge watch Monday through Friday. From the creators of City of Neon Lights comes an exciting new adventure on the small screen. Okay, here is the colors. Ooh, I like that. Now, I've had some by, I think it's called Rude is the brand. Okay, so it's got the little, got a good mirror, and I do like it. Look how pretty. And we got some beautiful colors. Like, okay, look, they were really pretty. Anyway, set that to the side, and we're going to swatch some of these. They feel really good and creamy. They're really, really soft, and they look very pigment. Okay. Well, Miami Spice, Game of Teals, Blushing Bad. Oh, I get this. Dr. Blue. Should be more like Dr. Purple. The Green Wife. Orange is the New Glam. Twin Pinks. Ooh, that one didn't. Let me try that again. Maybe I didn't get enough on it. Okay, there we go. Then, Big Little Skies. Some of them first watch, like, if you go back over it and it's swatchy, like, or patchy, you can get it worked up. Okay, last row. Rosier Things. The Lilac Files. Yellowed Abbey. And let me see. Lime of Duty. Well. Okay. I really like that. Especially, I can already see looks I can make with a bunch of these colors. If you guys would like to see a look done with this, let me know down in the comments, and I will do that, because I really, really like working with colors like this. Pinks, I love pinks and purples and oranges. And teal, I really like it. Okay, well, that is everything. We only got one makeup item this month. I'm kind of disappointed in that, really, because I'm used to getting two. And, you know, you're paying like $12.99, and then you're paying like $3.99 shipping and handling. And so that's like $13 plus $4. And it's kind of like $17, $18. I think it, after tax and everything, I think it's around almost $18. And maybe not. It could be like $16. But I kind of miss getting the two products. I wish, you know, 4 pairs of lashes and 2 makeup items. I mean, really, that's what I'd like to get. I have looked at their bigger box. They are really, really good boxes. They all come with full-size products. I thought about doing one of them one month. And they do have, like, mystery boxes and, like, grab bags and stuff like that. they always have specials going on. So I do like that about Lashy Box. And they are connected to Ruby May Cosmetics. I think they have like the same owner. She owns it all. But I do like the subscription. I just miss getting to makeup items. Used to, you'd get a palette and something else, like maybe a lipstick or a mascara or an eyeliner or something. I really don't need no eyeliners, but I just miss getting two products. But I did like everything I got this month. I love the lashes. I know that I will wear them. I always wear my lashes because I love lashes. Like, it's like one of my things I do every time I put makeup on. Maybe like once or twice every 3 weeks, I'll go without my lashes. But 9 times out of 10, I don't care where I'm going, I like to wear my lashes. A lot of times I won't even stick mascara on my top lashes. I'll just put the lashes on and then just blend them together. And then with mascara and a little mascara below. And I'm good to go. But I guess this is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I guess if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you join the family. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now, and everybody take care. And I'll see y'all later.